Hey guys, here's a fun little activity you can do outside to get some exercise while you're stuck indoors all day. Come join me on this nature walk. It's also a scavenger hunt, so you can add a little fun into the activity. Let's go. Oh, a yellow flower. That's on my list. Let's check it off. Let's put it in our bag. Wow, look at this garden. Lots of veggies to keep you healthy. Oh, and look, there's even some blue flowers. Those are on our list too. Let's get some and put them in the bag. Ah, here's some rocks and sticks. Those are also on our list, so let's get a few and put those in our bag. Ah, wow, look at all these beautiful flowers. Let's see if we can find any more of our items on the list on this trail. Let's look high and low for all of our items. Wow, look at all these leaves that have fallen off these trees. Let's collect some of them and put them in our bag. Ah, another item off the list. Wow, look at that bird just relaxing in the tree. Wow, listen to all those birds chirping. Wow, here's some red flowers. Those aren't on our list, but you can always add things as you go along. So let's put these red flowers in our bag. Wow, here's some dandelions. If you find any of these, you can pick them and then blow on them and make a wish. Alright, let's go over what we found on our nature walk. We have a stick, a yellow flower, quite a few leaves, some rocks, and a couple red flowers. It was really nice to go outside and enjoy nature. Bye.